square root n. Okay, but for number when variance is unknown, is not given in the question, and S square is given or S is given, S is a standard deviation population. This one S is variance sample, and n greater than 30, we must using the formula. If you see, if you compare, the formula is same, just substitute S with sigma. Okay, the number 3, when variance population is unknown and S square variance sample is given. Okay, if we see the condition number 2 and number 3 is almost same. The difference is the number of size sample. For this one, number 2, n must greater than 30. But for this one, number 3, n less than 30. The formula, if you see, the formula is the same. This one S minus mu, this one same. But the difference is when you want to compare, you must using number 2 using Z and the normal distribution. But for number 3, you must compare using T distribution. Okay, the difference is one. Okay, after that, if you want to make conclusion about hypothesis, you must look at the hypothesis. Okay, we look region hypothesis, region of rejection. Okay, I think, okay, if you want to test hypothesis at null, okay, this one the number A, not equal A. Okay, the graph is like this one. Okay, this one. Okay, you must alpha must divide by 2. Alpha must divide by 2. This one is Z alpha divided by 2. This one minus Z alpha divided by 2. This one SF HO, and this one is reject. Reject HO. This one same. Reject. We have two border. Okay. Okay, this one, if you want to test not equal, if you want to test greater, this one greater, this one A, H1 mu greater, the region is on your right hand, this one on the right. I think I just repeat again for this one. This one is reject, this one Z alpha, reject. Okay, if you want to test the region, if you put the hypothesis HO, mu greater A, region H1, mu less A. Okay, the region is on your left side, this one on your left. This one is negative Z alpha, this one reject HO, and this one is SF HO. Okay, I think it is okay. I think I hope all of you understand how to make conclusion for single mean. Okay, this one is for single mean. Okay, today we continue hypothesis using two mean. Okay, the formula is, if you see the formula is almost same. If you compare for this one, it is almost same. But using two mean. Okay, for the concept 1. If variance known, it is mean sigma 1 and sigma 2 is given. For this one given, or standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2 is given. For this given, we must using Z. The formula Z, S1 minus S2 minus mu 1 minus mu 2 divided by sigma 1. This one. Okay, this one if variance is unknown. Okay, the number 2. If you see the formula same, if you compare the number 1 and number 2 is same, the condition is variance known. This one variance known, but for this one S1 and S2 is given. For that is given, or S1 and S2 is given. You must using the formula same, but 1 and 2 greater than 30 for this one. Okay, the number, okay, this one is number, I put this down is number 4. The number 4 formula, this one is number 5. Okay, if the variance is unknown, it is mean S1 and S2 is given. Okay, for this condition is different, and 1 and 2 and less than 30. Okay, we must have two. Must have two conditions. Okay, for example, for this one is assume. If you assume this one, assume variant 1 is equal, variant population 1 is equal variant population 2. You must using the formula like this one. The formula must have SP. SP it is mean variance pool. And this one we call this one variance pool. Gabungan. Gabungan variance this one. Okay, if assume if you find from the question variance 1 and it is not equal variance 2, if you see the formula same, if you compare for the formula for this one same, this number 4, formula number 4 and formula number 5. If you see the formula number 4 and the number 5 is 6 for this one. If variance 1 is not equal variance 2. Tapi but this one, the how to find V is very tough. This the formula is complicated. Okay, I think it is. I hope you understand for this one. It is almost chapter 4. Chapter 4 it is about estimation. The condition same with estimation. Okay, we look at how to use this formula. Okay, the rejection same. The rejection same for one single main. This one same for single main. Okay, look at the example 1. Okay, example 1. Okay, Ahmad, cuba baca Ahmad. Example 1.
Two types of plastic are suitable for use by an electronic component manufacturer. The breaking strength of the plastic is important. It is known that standard deviation 1 and 2 equal to 7 kilonewton per meter square. Okay. From a random sample size of N1 equal to 10 and N2 is 12, we obtain X1 equal to 162.5 and X2 155. Thus, hypothesis that both types of plastic have the same breaking strength. Use alpha equal to 0.05.
Okay, look example 1. Okay, if you look example 1, which formula you suitable for example 1? Which formula? We have 4 formula, number 4, number 5, and number 6. This one formula number 6. Okay, number 6 have 2. This one is formula number 6. Okay, CA then CB. Okay, which formula is suitable for answer question 1, example 1? Okay, if you see this one, n span and 12, S1 bar 162, S2 bar 155, and sigma 1, it is equal sigma 2 is equal 7. Okay, which formula? Number 4, number 5, or number 7? Okay, number mana sesuai? Okay, Fikri, nombor berapa Fikri?
Yang variance node ni, number 4.
Okay, number 4 number 4. Why number 4? Okay, because
variance.
Variance none, variance this one none. Variance is given, we concentrate using formula number 4. Okay, look from here, what is the hypothesis? What is the hypothesis? 1, okay. This one and mu 2 again, mu 1, mu 2. Okay, less or more or equal or not equal? Yang mana this one? Yang mana suitable? Equal, not equal, less or greater? Or greater against smallest? Mana sesuai?
Equal.
Okay, equal Equal. Kenapa equal? Why equal?
Same breaking strength.
Okay, look at the last sentences. Last sentences, test hypothesis that the both plastic had the same breaking strength. Kita nak lihat sama ataupun tidak. Equal or not equal. Okay, this one is the hypothesis. After that, we write the statistic test using the formula number 4. Number 4, it is equal S bar minus S2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 divided by sigma 1 power n. Okay, this is the formula number 4. Okay, we just substitute the value. S1 bar 162.5, S2 155. Okay, minus mu. Okay, mu1 kalau minus mu2, what is the value? This one. What is the value? Berapa nilai dia ni? Mu1 minus mu2. Ini tak diberi. We look at the hypothesis. Okay, from here we know mu1 it is equal mu2. Okay, mu1 from here mu1 it is equal mu2. It is equal. What is the value? Mu1 minus mu2. Okay, mu1 is equal to mu2. Then mu2 is equal, okay, 0. Just put the 0. Just put mu1 minus 2, put 0. Okay, divide by, okay, sigma is given. Sigma is 7 power 2 divide n1. N1 is 10 plus 7 minus 2 divide by 12. Okay, try calculate then. What is the value? Cuba kira berapa nilai dia. The value is positive, 2.023. 2.5. Okay, after that we must compare with the region. The region one alpha must divide by 2 or not for this one. For this one, alpha 0.05. Okay, if you see not equal, alpha must divide by 2. Alpha must divide by 2. This one, region. Alpha must divide by 2. 0.025. Okay, for this one, Z. Okay, this one, Z, you must compare with Z. Okay, looks at what is the value Z? 0.025. 0.025. Berapa nilai? 0.025. And we have two border, 0.025. Okay, 1.96. 1.96. This one negative 1.96. Okay, reject or accept? Accept or reject? And we calculate from the data 2.5, the border 1.96, negative and positive. Accept or reject? Reject or accept? Hypothesis. Okay, reject. From here, if you see 2.5, it is here, 2.5. It is mean reject. HO, reject HO, it is mean accept H1. It is mean new one not equal new two. Not equal, reject accept H1. Okay, we can make conclusion of both type of plastics. Okay, both type of plastic. Salin balik just copy paste the last sentences. Plastic have not the same current at alpha 0.05. Okay, rasa okay, no problem. Okay, rasa tak ada masalah ni. Okay, okay, cuba buat yang ni, cuba buat yang ni, nanti kita bincang. Okay, yang ni kita buat sama lah dulu. Seperti yang bawah ni baru awak buat. Buat yang ni kecil. Okay, look saya, ini dah sempat salin tak? Sempat salin nanti saya kasih. Kalau tak, okay, cuba kalau nak salin, kalau tak salin nak buat ambil gambar aja. Nanti salin kemudian. Okay, boleh? Okay, kalau boleh kita lihat seterusnya. Okay, we look at the example 2. Okay, Fikri cuba baca Fikri Hamdan. Example 2.
Okay. A company claims that its medicine brand A provides faster relief from pain than another company's medicine brand B. A researcher tests both brands of medicine on two groups of randomly selected patients. The result of the relief time in minutes are given as follows. Brand A, N is equal 25, X bar is 44, S is 11. Brand B, N is 22, X bar is 49, S is 9. Assume that both population normally distributed. Conduct the hypothesis testing whether the mean relief time for brand A is faster than that of brand B. Use alpha equal to 0.1.
Okay, we look at the information for this one, N 25 and 22, S simple 11 and 9. Okay, what is the which formula? Okay, look here. Assume for this one. Assume the both population are normally distributed. Yeah? Okay, this one I put this one the information complete. Normal distances with the same variance. Okay, formula mana nak gunakan? Which formula? I put this one same variance. Formula mana nak gunakan? Which formula? Number 4, number 5, number 6. Number 6 we have two. We have two formula, number A and number B. Okay, which formula?
Formula number 6.
Okay, 6. Which one? A or B?
A.
Okay, A looks at if I assume variant 1 is equal variant 2, we must using the formula number 6A. 6A I have SP. Okay, we look at the formula is 6A. Okay, what is the hypothesis? Apa dia punya hypothesis? Apa dia punya hypothesis? Faster, what is mean faster? Faster than brand B. Smaller or greater?
Greater.
Faster in time. Faster relief time masa sembuh ni. Masa lebih lama lebih bagus ataupun lebih cepat lebih bagus? Kalau sakit lebih cepat bagus sembuh lebih cepat lebih sembuh lebih lambat lebih bagus.
Less.
Lambat dah lebih bagus. Cepat okey letak cepat. Lebih cepat lebih bagus. Jadi dia punya hipotesis, what dia hipotesis? Okay, macam mana buat? For this one, hypothesis, if you write hypothesis using equal, it is wrong. Equal or not equal is wrong, because we want to test faster or not faster. Okay, well, which one? SO, new A, new B, new B, against H1, mu A, mu B. Okay, what is the symbol? Smaller. Smaller kat mana? Dekat H1 or H0? Smaller dia dekat H1 or H1 or H0? Letak dekat mana ni? Smaller dia. Smaller letak dekat mana? H0 ataupun H1? H0 or H1? Smaller. Okay, letak mana? Letak dekat mana? Okay, dekat H0. H0 salah normally we must using this sini. Smaller must using dekat H0. H1. Okay, this one is greater. Biasanya ke pasta ni lebih kecil, lebih cepat, lebih bagus, lebih kecil. Okay, for this one, this is the hypothesis. After that, we must using the formula number 6B, 6A, using T distribution. For this one, using T distribution, the formula is SA bar minus SB bar minus mu A minus mu B divided by, for this formula have SP, square root 1 divided by NA plus 1 divided by NB. Okay, SP is equal NA minus 1 SA power 2 plus NB minus 1 SB power 2 divided by NA plus NB minus 2. Okay, try put the value, berapa nilai dia. Kita masukkan nilai, we put the value is N is 25 minus 1, SA 11 plus NB NB 22 minus 1, SB 9. Okay, divide by NA 25 plus 22 minus 2. Okay, try calculate that. What is the value here? Berapa nilai dia? SP. Okay, for this one, we just put the value. S1, SA. 44. Okay, 44 minus 49 minus 0 divided by SP. Okay, SP still don't have the value. Okay, NA 25 plus NB 22. Okay, dah kira dah. Berapa nilai? What is the value SP? What is the value SP?
Doktor?
Okay.
Cara tentukan H0 dengan H1 macam mana Yang soalan bagi letak kat H0 ke H1?
Nak compare this one Tengok this one. Kalau senang, if it is very, kalau nak tengok senang if you want to look here kalau look here, if you find this one is positive, if you find this is positive, this one is positive, the H1 must greater, this one must greater, this one greater. This one is, if you find it positive, if you find this one is negative, T, you must use it H1, mu1 less than mu2. Okay, look here, the value of T or Z, this one. Understand for this one? You just look here. And when this one is positive, this one is positive, if you see the region reject is must positive, this one must positive, this one is must positive. If the value T is negative, you must using the value must, this one is must negative. This one must negative. Negative again negative. The hypothesis H1. Okay, understand? Go. Okay. Yeah.
Maknanya kita kira dulu yang T-score.
Biasanya kita kira dulu lah, lebih bagus lah.
Oh, okay, faham.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Okay. Okay, try calculate this one. If you see this one, if 44 minus 49, we can get the value is negative for this one. Negative. It is the reason why I put this one is negative. And this one why I put this one less. And because this one we can get negative value. Okay, I delete that for this one. Okay, cuba kira berapa nilai dia. Try calculate what is the value. Okay, okay. Kita ada kira 103.33. Okay, this one is SP power 2. What is the value? Try square root. What is the value SP? Just or SP. What is the value SP?
Doktor, untuk mu A minus mu B macam mana dia dapat 0
Sama saja kita gunakan yang ni. Biasanya mu A dia ada equal kan this one. Mu A equal mu B. Jadi kalau kita pindahkan mu A minus mu B akan dapat kosong. Dia akan dapat kosong. Sama dengan kongsi atasnya lah. Sama dengan ni. Mu A sama dengan mu B 2, mu 1 sama dengan mu 2. Jadi kalau kita pindahkan dapat mu 1 tolak mu 2 akan dapat kosong. Jadi kosong ni kita akan gunakan nilainya. Kat sini. Ni kosong. Sama juga dengan yang ni lah. Sebab yang ni pun ada equal lah. Ada equal. Biasanya kita akan gunakan equal saja ni. Jadi mu A dan B akan dapat bila kosong. Jadi kalau awal malah nak fikir awal tak kosong saja ni. Biasanya akan tak kosong. Okay.
Baik,
kita dapat. Okay. Jadi kita akan dapat kita gunakan SP 10 puluhan 12. Kita dapat 10 puluhan 1. Okay. We put here SP 10 puluhan 1. Okay. Try calculate what is the value dia. Okay, cuba calculate berapa nilai dia. Okay, berapa nilai T? Okay, berapa nilai ini? Okay, negative 1.69. We get the value is negative 1.69. Okay, after that we compare with this one is T, this one is T distribution. We must compare with T distribution. Okay, T distribution, we for this one, V it is equal N1 minus N2 divided minus 2. And N1 is N is 25 plus 20 minus 2. We can get 27. And we can get V is 45. Okay, if you see this one less, this one less, we must do the graph is on your left. This one alpha for this one, alpha is equal alpha 0.1. Okay, look at from T distribution. What the T distribution? Alpha no need to divide by 2. T is 0.1. V is 45. Okay, berapa nilai dia? 45. Okay, the region in on your left hand. Left. If you see this one negative, negative, you must compare using negative. For this one, must negative. And this one accept. This one reject. HO. Okay, berapa nilai dia? This one T 0.1 45. And look at T distribution. Alpha 0.1 V 45. Ada tak nilai dia 45? Kita gunakan infinity lah. Kita gunakan yang infinity lah. 45 gunakan infinity. Alpha 0.1 dia gunakan infinity. Dia punya B adalah gunakan infinity because tak yang terbesar 40 je. After that using infinity. We get the point here, nilai dia 1.282. Ambil yang lebih daripada lebih greater than 40, you just take 1.282. Okay, for this one is negative, negative. Accept or reject for this one? Accept or reject? If you see, we calculate 1.6, 1.6, this one, negative 1.6. Okay, it is mean we reject, reject HO. Okay, reject HO, it is mean we accept H1. But to accept H1, H1, it is mean new 1, new A less than new B. It is mean, it is mean the mean real time for brand A is faster than brand B. We can make conclusion. It is important. If you not right, we cannot get the mark. The mean real time. Okay, brand A. Okay, more faster, is faster. Then, okay, kita dapat box simpulan. Ini penting the conclusion is very important in hypothesis. Kita nak jawab soalan. Kalau tak jawab ni kita tak dapat non-meaning. The important is the conclusion. The conclusion from the data, whether we accept the reject or not. Okay, try do exercise. Exercise 3. Okay, try exercise 3. After you finish this one, exercise 3. Exercise 3 we have two questions. Okay, for this the number A, variance are equal, and number B is variance are not equal. Okay, try this one. After that we discuss about this one. Siapa nak buat ni? Siapa pernah kena ni? Okay, Erisan nak buat ke? Okay, siapa nak buat ni? Okay, Nur Iqbal ada. Nur Iqbal Putri. Okay, Nur Iqbal ada tak? Nur Iqbal? Nur Iqbal tak ada. Nur Iqbal tak ada. Okay, tak ada, tak apa. Okay, Nur Syafika ada. Nur Syafika pun tak ada. Royan Ibrahim. Are you here? Royan Ibrahim. Okay, not here. Mana dah tak ada ni. Muhammad Haris Daniel. Ada tak Muhammad Haris? Muhammad Haris tak ada. Mana budak-budak ni? Okay, Fatain Hatira. Fatain ada. Fatain Hatira. Fatain Hatira ada tak? Tak ada. Okay. Tak ada ni Risha. Okay, Ahmad Syafi'i ada. Ahmad Syafi'i tak ada juga. Mana budak-budak ni? Okay, Ahmad Akmal.
Ya.
Okay, Ahmad buat solat A.
Okay.
Akmal A. Okay, number B. Apa nama B? Okay, go. Jiang go. Number B.
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Yang lain cuba buat nanti kita compare jawapan betul. Okay, kita tunggu puan muak buat ni. Okay. Lepas habis buat ni kita start kelas. Okay, pelajar lain boleh buat dah. Okay, kita compare.
Doktor,
Okay, faham.
kalau itu V ada decimal round off
Bulatkan saja.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we look at amal already done number A. Okay, the hypothesis is not equal, for this one not equal. So, new A, again new, itu. Not equal, new. Okay, from here, I'm going to get SP is equal. Berapa dapat? 0.0. Okay, from here, we must using T. Okay, minus 7. Wah, bunyi anjing kan? Okay, divide by 1, 1 divide by 10, 7. Okay, the T is value 0.1 per 1.15. 1.150. Okay, after that compare using alpha. Okay, alpha for here is 0.5. 0.05. Alpha must divide by 2. 0.0. 2B is equal. 10 minus 7 minus 2. We get 15. Okay, T 0.025. 15. We can get the value is berapa dapat ni Ahmad? 2.131. Okay, 2.131. Okay, the border 2.131. This one is negative 2.131. This one 2.131. Okay, from here we can accept accept as one. It is mean new A it is equal new to okay. The rate. Okay, jadi the mean same okay. Jadi jawapan betul ni Ahmad dah clear mat. The mean okay, the same for this one. Okay, Ahmad is okay for both solution. Okay, for this one, the marks is higher. For this one, normally we can get 7/7. Okay, okay, Ahmad is okay. You get 7 for 7. Okay. Okay, go using the formula number here. The formula is 6B. Okay, the hypothesis is same. We want to test whether mu1 2 against H1. Mu1 not equal mu B. From here we must using the formula the number 6B. Okay, using the formulas is almost the formula number 4 and number 5. Okay, from here we go get the result is almost same 0.0. Okay, B using calculation we can go get the value is okay, 9.31. It is almost 9. It is okay. Okay, alpha for this one, alpha 0.01. Alpha must divide by 2. It is 0.005. Okay, using T value 0.05 and V is 9. Okay, we can get the value is 3.25. Okay, from here we can make conclusion. The border 3.25 and this one negative 3.25. Okay, it is mean we accept accept HO. It is mean new one. It is okay. The conclusion same. Okay, the mean. Okay. Okay, go also get the full mark 7/7. It's okay, go. No mistake. Okay, last one. Lalita. Lalita.
So sekejap tengah kira lagi.
Okay, never mind.
Sir. I cannot get the answer. Sir? Hello, sir.
Kan, okay, look, okay, Lalita already done this question. Okay, looks. Okay, tengok Lalita telah buat ni soalan ni. Okay. Lalita telah buat. Kita tengok jawapan dia. Okay, this one is from the data Lalita using calculator. We get the value as 1 bar is 92.25 and S2 92.73. This one is using calculator. It's okay. After that, this one is wrong. This one wrong. Lalita, this one salah. Biasa normally HO is a new one is equal. This one terbalik. This one terbalik. H1 is not equal. This one salah. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, but this one is it is wrong. Normally we can get the real number. For this one is just 0.25. I think this one is wrong. Okay, Lalita not complete the answer. Okay, Lalita try do again this one. Lalita try buat balik. Boleh tak Lalita? Lalita buat balik. Try repeat again. Lalita dah